Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Shamir, and if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for joining me again today. I just got back from Las Vegas, and you guys, while I was there, I stayed at the Aria Resort and Casino, and I wanted to give you guys a quick room tour, okay? I wanted to show you guys this room just in case you're thinking about booking a room at the Aria Resort and Casino, so you can see what's going on right now, okay? Because this is new. This is April 2024, okay? I'm showing you what it's looking like right now. But you guys, I love this little room. It was just spacious enough for me and my husband while we were there. One thing I really loved about it was they have one of those tablets that can control the drapes. They had the tablet, you could order room service, you could check out the menus for the different restaurants on the property, and there's lots more information about the property that I will have in the description box and as well as on my travel vlog for this year to Las Vegas. So be sure that you subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss that vlog and get all that good info. And while you're at it, you can also check out my Las Vegas vlog from last year if you want to see another MGM resort hotel, because I stayed at one last year as well. But you guys, I really loved this room. I enjoyed it. One thing to note, which they will let you know when you check into this hotel, the mini bar, it's a cute little mini bar, but you only have a 30-second window of time to decide if you want any of the items. If you pick it up, you have 30 seconds, and after 30 seconds they're gonna charge you for it, okay? So I just wanted to note that just in case you're the type who likes to, you know, grab you a snack from the mini bar. But anyway, you guys, I just wanted to show you guys this room because I enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Look at this. I love it. It was great. All right, guys, I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.